Another question here. Why are people of the book, Christians and Jews, constantly being targeted by the religion of peace?
Define religion of peace. You mean Islam?
I think that person meant
I think we've
Islam.
already answered. That's not the religion of peace. In fact,
not...
we didn't really answer that question, did we? Maybe we should go back to that real quickly and ask,
Correct.
Is this then the religion of peace? Is this book the book of peace? Is the Prophet Muhammad the man of peace? And the answer in all three is absolutely not, absolutely not, absolutely not. For one very good reason, just read the pages.
Right.
You can't find any peaceful verses. Well, I have to be careful. In the Meccan surahs, you will find a verse that says, to you, your religion, to me, my religion.
Yes.
That's there. And then they'll have in Surah 2, Ayah 146, there is no compulsion in religion.
Right.
But read the rest of the verse.
Right.
It has nothing to do with you and me.
Yeah.
It has to do with Muslims. There's no compulsion. But then it goes on to say, but he who rejects Allah, great will be his future in fire.
Yeah.
So then tell me if there's no compulsion.
And wasn't that section of the Quran written while Muhammad was in a more obscure role? Things hadn't happened according to...
In the Meccan surahs?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is from... Now, this is...
The more peaceful side of it, if you could say
I'm going to contradict myself later on in this talk, but what Muslims tell us, this is what they tell us, is that if you take the Quran and you just divide it in half, now this one goes from right to left, so this half here, that would be Medinan.
Yeah.
This would be Meccan.
Yeah.
It's referring to two different cities.
Yeah. Yes, sure.
Mecca is a city that he first lived in, and that's right, when he received his revelation from 610 to 622, that's what he received.
Yeah.
Rule of thumb, there's some Medina material in here. And then the last 10 years of his life, he received this material in Medina. So it actually goes backwards. Just turn the Quran upside down, you get the right sequence. Nonetheless, in this part, and this is what you're getting at, in this part, there's an awful lot we can accept. God's up here, man's down here. We don't know God, we can't understand God. He sends these intermediaries called Rasuls or Nabis, prophets, and we obey and we submit. And that's what Islam means, obey.
Yes, that's right.
And submit. So there's not too much we would disagree with here. It's this material that really gets problematic. And this material is full of violence.
That's right.
Verse after verse after verse. That's violence. Slay the unbeliever wherever ye find them. Besiege them. Lay in wait for them with every kind of ambush. This is Surah 9, Ayah 5.
Yeah.
That's in this part.